Okay, right now we want to look at your Microsoft Words, and of course different version of Microsoft Word may look a little bit different, but they all have the same feature. One, and what we want to do today is basically to look at all these different headings here of your style. Right, so of course most of the time we will just stick to normal, and most of the time students will basically just bold themselves, change the font size without using any of these features in the styles. But we're going to use this. Okay, let me just type a few things over here, and maybe for this one. All right, the one. Okay, and I can do a few more, maybe a separate one, maybe another heading one. Right, and perhaps I can have some subheading. Let's say if you use a heading 2, sorry, let me use this one. Let's say I use the 2, 3. Okay, so this one I will change it to heading 2, and maybe this one, of course, I can change it to heading 3, and so forth. All right, now it doesn't seem to have much impact besides having a slightly nicer looking font. Okay, it looks a little bit fancier, but actually it will really help in your assignment or your project, particularly if you are creating a very large documentation. Okay, one of the things that you can do is you can go to the reference, right, section, and you can actually insert a table of content. Right, so I'm going to do this here. I place it on the top. Okay, and I can see, all right, what type of content do I actually want. Okay, maybe choose an automatic table of content, and I have an immediate table of content. See this? I have an immediate table of content based on the titles that I've done. Of course, right now they are all page 1, but I can, let's say, go to insert a page break. Okay, let's say I do a page break so that my heading 2 is actually at page 2. Of course, if I come back to the table of content, you will realize that it doesn't update by itself. Okay, it doesn't actually update by itself. But if you click it, you can actually see there is a update table. Here, the table refer to your table of content. And do you want to update the entire table or just the page number? So maybe right now I will just update the page number because I have not done any changes to the heading. And notice what happened. The heading 2, or this heading 2, the page number has been updated. And this actually will help you, because then you do not have the problem of updating your table of content, the manual one. Alright, if you have created a manual table of content, every time you insert additional information or additional pages into your assignments or into your report. Another good thing that you can actually make use of this table of content, of course, is you can navigate using the control click to follow the link. Alright, so if I were to choose heading 2, control click, I will jump to the heading 2 itself. Okay, so it helps you in navigation, especially when you want to move to some place in a very large Word document. Right, and you can also use the control F, right, in the navigation, but instead of using the result or the search, you can choose the heading that you want to go to. See, so you can choose, oh, I want to go to heading 2. I want to go to heading 1. I want to go to this heading 2 at page 2. So this allows you to navigate as well, just like using your table of content. But this, of course, you do not have to go all the way to the first page for your table of content to navigate. So using these few little tricks hopefully will make your assignment, projects, okay, even your final dissertation a lot easier and faster to work with. Okay, all the best. All right, then till the next particular video.